Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a trading strategy with eToro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a trading strategy with eToro, start by understanding your investment goals. Determine your risk tolerance to decide how much risk you are willing to take. Create a demo account on eToro to practice your strategy without any financial risk. Familiarize yourself with the eToro platform and its features. Explore different asset classes available on eToro, such as stocks, cryptocurrency. Research various trading strategies including day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Use the eToro copy trading feature to follow experienced traders if you're unsure about your choices. Analyze market trends using tools and resources available on eToro. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss levels for your trades. Create a diversified portfolio to spread risk across multiple assets. Monitor your trades regularly and assess their performance. Adjust your strategy based on market conditions and your performance. Stay informed about market news and events that could impact your investments. Review your overall trading strategy periodically to make necessary adjustments. Maintain a trading journal to keep track of your decisions and outcomes. By following these steps, you can develop a solid trading strategy on eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.